Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you through how I built my very own headpiece to the Staff of Ra from Indiana Jones. First, I 3D printed all the components. Once they were off the printer, I removed all the brims and supports. I sanded the mating surfaces to ensure a perfect fit and joined them using 5-minute epoxy. Carefully using super glue as a temporary clamp to hold everything in place while the epoxy set. Next, I moved to the prep. I coated the prints with UV resin, then sanded the entire piece to clean up any print lines. Then I wiped it down with wax and grease remover. I sprayed a few coats of high build primer. Once that was dry, I filled any low spots with air dry putty and some no more gaps. Sanded it all smooth and finished it off with a solid grey undercoat. For the finish, I applied 2 coats of gloss black as a base, waiting 30 minutes between coats. Then I carefully built up the look with multiple layers of ore-clad chrome, finishing with a water-based gloss to lock in that chrome and protect it from the following coats. For the gem, I 3D printed it in clear resin and then applied a generous ruby red clear coat. To get that iconic gold, I created a wash using yellow clear paint with a touch of red and some water. I let that dry overnight, then applied a final weathering wash, a mixture of black, brown and a hint of yellow to give it that weathered ancient look. And that was it. It looks fantastic on my shelf. If you enjoyed this build, please hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next future build, and share this video with a fellow indie fan. See you next time.